Hey guys, it's Mazi. Don't let something so small ruin your day. My wife had a flat tire. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Let's have some fun. Let's get it done. This is my tire kit that I pulled out of my video of how to change a tire. Let's see. You have that. Typically, you just run your hand over to see if there's any screws, anything like that inside here. Alright? But this one, I heard it before and I saw it right here. It looks like a something punctured it. A big bolt or something. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, it's right here. That looks like it's it. First thing, I'm gonna build up a little pressure. This tool is used to expand the hole so the plug goes in. Go back and forth a few times like this. Change gloves. This, one of these. This is the hardest part to do. So on the side, if you have a little tool like this, make sure the plug is equal on both sides. There we go. Like that. The rubber sealant. Help. Try to do this part quickly so you don't lose too much air. Don't put the plug all the way in, leave part of it out. Hold this here, pull it out. That's it. Just cut off the excess. Hey guys, see, it's not that hard to do something like this. It took me a couple minutes to take care of it. The whole kit right here cost me maybe as much. This kit will probably cost you as much as to plug a tire. And I can plug 10 tires or more. So, now you know. See you guys later.